Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform most effective trick shots. In the beginning, let's start with the trick shot after Elastico. To perform Elastico, you have to use this movement of your right analog. You can even trick goalkeeper with this. Next, let's use the shot after advanced rainbow flick. To perform advanced rainbow flick, you have to push analog left, right, and then again right. Next, let's make a shot after roulette. To perform roulette, you have to perform this movement. Next, we are going to use Sombrero. To perform Sombrero, you have to stand still and then push analog forward, forward, backwards. This trick is hard to time. For a bonus trick, let's make one from Juggling. For this trick, I will remove defender. Let's start to juggle, and next push analog like this. This is the air Elastico. In the end, we can use another shot from the air. This one is something like rainbow flick. To perform it, While juggling, you have to push analog upwards, downwards. Depending on the position you are facing. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.